Good morning, students. We are doing our chapter 3 subtraction, and in today's video we will continue this chapter and exercise 3rd B. We are at question number 4 of exercise 3rd B. So let's begin. First, a question: what is the difference between the largest 4-digit number without repetition and the smallest 3-digit number without repetition? So in this question, we have to find out the difference between two numbers. The first number is 4-digit, largest 4-digit number. So, you all know that the largest 4-digit number will be 9999. Yes, it is the largest 4-digit number. But we have to find out the difference between largest 4-digit number without repetition. This number 9 repeat itself 4 times. ये नंबर अपने आप को रिपीट कर रहा है. सो वी डोंट नीड दिस नंबर. वी नीड अ नंबर दैट इज नॉट रिपीटेटिव. सो वी हैव अ नंबर लार्जेस्ट 4-digit number without repetition. So here are our number 9876. This is not repetitive. So इसमें कोई भी डिजिट रिपीट नहीं हो रही है, तो ये लार्जेस्ट 4-digit number है जिसमें कोई भी डिजिट रिपीट नहीं हो रही है, यानी विदाउट रिपीटिशन. सो हमें कौन सा नंबर लेना है? लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर आंसर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द लार्जेस्ट 4-digit नंबर. लार्जेस्ट 4-digit number without repetition. Yes. So what is this number? First of all, प्लेस वैल्यू लिखेंगे हम. यहां पर 1000, 100, tens and then ones. Yes. So let's write this number. That is 9876. Yes. Now we have to find out the difference between two numbers. So second number is smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number क्या होता है? You all know smallest 3-digit number is 100. But we have to find out the 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number without repetition. यानी इसमें 0 2 times क्या हो रहा है? Repeat हो रहा है. We need a number smallest 3-digit number without repetition. So here 0 is not repeating itself. We have 1, then 0 and then 2. None of the digit repeat itself. कोई भी digit अपने आप को repeat नहीं कर रही है. So 102 is our smallest 3-digit number without repetition. Okay. So here smallest 3-digit number without repetition. So our number is 102. Now we have to find out the difference between these two numbers. So we have to subtract the number. So let's start our subtraction. We always start from the ones place. So when we subtract 2 from 6, we get 4. Tens place, 7 minus 0, we get 7. At 100 place, if I subtract 1 from 8, I get 7 again. And then 1000 place, there is nothing to subtract, so 9 as it is. So our difference between these two number is 9774. Now let's move to our next exercise, that is 3rd C, and we have to study about a new concept, that is subtraction using expanded form. How do we can subtract a number with using this expanded form method? How? Let's begin with our question. We have taken an example. What is the difference between 5698 and 3431? We have to find out the difference between these two numbers, but with the method of expanded form. First of all, let's start with the largest number. So this is the biggest number between these two numbers. So let's take this number 5698. We have to expand this number. Expanded form method है, तो first of all we have to expand this number. So here 5000, yes, then 600, yes, as it is. then 90, and the last one 8. Yes, so we expand this number 5690 and then 8. Next number 3431. Now we have to expand this number too. So 3000, then 400, then 30, and at the last one at ones place. So we have to subtract this number with this method. We have to first expand the number. सबसे पहले हमें number को expand करना है. Yes, and then we have to subtract. Now we have to subtract this number. Yes. Now let's start from the ones place. 8 minus 1 we get 7. Sign plus. Yes. 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30 what we get? 60. Yes. So here 600 minus 400. What we get? 200. Yes. Here 3000. When we subtract 3000 from 5000. 0 में से 0 0. 0 में से 0 subtract करेंगे 0. इधर भी 0 and 5 में से 3 minus करेंगे we get 2. So we get 2260 and 7. Here our number 2267. ठीक है? I hope आप सबको समझ आ गया होगा. Now in the second question of exercise 3rd C, what we have to do? We have to subtract the following using column method. There is 2 number given and we have to subtract these numbers with the column method. So first of all we have to make a column for it. So let's start our answer. This is a 4-digit number. So we have to make a place value of thousands place. ठीक है, 1000 place. 1000, 100, tens and then 1. We have to make columns first. ठीक है. So first write down the biggest number. So here 5785, then 349. So it is 100 not 1000. So 100 की place पे लिखना है. So 349 and then we have to subtract these numbers. Okay, let's start from the ones place. First of all, can I subtract 9 from 5? No, I can't because 5 is smaller than 9. So we have to take carry from the 10th place. So if I take carry from 8, here 7, okay, and then here became 15. So now I can subtract 9 from 15. What I get 6. And then 10th place, when I subtract 4 from 7, I get 3. In the 100th place, when I subtract 3 from 7, I get 4. And here at the 1000 place, there is nothing to subtract, so 5 as it is. So we get a number 5436 here. Now let's move to our B part. Part B. Here is 4-digit number, so we have to start writing the columns from 1000 place. So 1000, then 100, then tens and then ones. So 5324. Write down this number here. Sorry, 5324. Yes, and then we have to subtract 6 from it. So ये 6 ones है, सिर्फ ones. तो हमें ये ones की place पे लिखना होगा. Yes. So now let's subtract this number. Can we subtract 6 from 4? No, we can't because 6 is a greater number than 4. So we have to take carry from the 100 place. It becomes 1414 when we take carry from the 10th place. Yes. And when we subtract 6 from 14, we get 8. Then 10th place, 1 as it is. There is nothing to subtract. So 3 as it is 3 and 5 as it is 5. Okay. This is 5. Yes. So we get a number 5318. 318.